So special thanks to our friends over at this company who was nice enough to send us this S1 MP3 player. You can see here is the front of the box open. Little company name there, nothing, digital music player. And the back just has your specs. So it's the model S1. There's your sizes. It's only 4.4 by 2.5 by ½ inch. It weighs only 4.3 ounces. The screen size is 4 inches. It has a 2000 milliamp hour battery, and it has 64 gigs of internal memory, which I can say, considering most MP3s are 3 or 4 megabytes, you could fit a few hundred songs on this MP3 player. It also has a slot where you can add a 512 gig SD card. So you could expand this to over 570 gigabytes between the 64 gigs and the 512 SD slot. So let's open this up and take a look at what we get in here. I like the packaging so far. Nothing else in there. And so here is our MP3 player. We'll take it out and get to it in a moment. Got a nice foam, little piece of cardboard. So it does come with an included nice USB-C cable to charge up your MP3 player. And then, well, that's it for the box. You've got a very nice, wow, look at this. This is a, whoa, nice instruction booklet telling you how to use the file manager, the recorder, the clock, the settings, calendar, and I mean, everything that you should need to know will be in this manual. So let's take a look at the actual MP3 player. Whoa! I'm surprised at how that looks with this little, almost button right here. It looks very familiar to other very popular audio players, we'll call them. So you've got a little spot where you could like hang it on your neck, little company logo on the back. I do like the rubber feel. It's a good feel in the hand. You've got a power button right here. We'll hold that, see if it boots up. There it goes. Volume rockers up and down. Over here is that SD card slot. It does not come with an SD card, but you can add up to a ½ terabyte of storage, 512 gigabytes. And then outside of that, just this nice little button. And on the bottom is your USB-C port, as well as it looks like where the microphone is for recording, and a headphone jack for, your headphone. Look at this. Wow, this is a little different than I expected. You've got a clock, file manager, FM radio, gallery, 0 images. So you could put photos on this. This is like a home button. All right. Got some settings, display, turn the brightness all the way up. Very nice. Schedule power on and off. And this is essentially your home button. There's Bluetooth built in, FM radio, and then we can turn it all the way down. So it does have a speaker in the back in case you don't want to use the headphones. That's pretty unique. But wow, this is a very nice, very unique MP3 player. I mean, it looks a lot like I said, some other audio devices, but I love the touchscreen. I love that you've got a recorder. You've got a few other things in here that are helpful with the calculator and stuff like that. But mainly, this would, of course, be for putting your music on and listening to your music. Very cool. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this MP3 player to unbox and show you everything that comes inside of here. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.